Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, dear kids, today I'm going to show you how to teach you the concept of he or she. Okay, what is the spelling of he? Yes, you can see here H-E, he. And what is the spelling of she? S-H-E, she. Okay. So are you ready, my dear kids? Very good. So let's start. Hi everyone. I am Monica. And I am going to introduce my family to you today. Okay. So here, he is my grandfather. He is my grandfather. Now, he is my father. He is my father. He is my uncle. He is my uncle. And he is my little brother. He is my little brother. So, we use the word H-E, he for boy and man. Like this. Grandfather, father, uncle and boy. Now, she is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. Now, she is my mother. She is my mother. And she is my aunt. She is my aunt. So, we use the word S-H-E, she for girl and I am a girl, and we use the word she, S-H-E, she for girl and woman. Like this. Grandmother, mother and aunt and me also. She is a girl, okay? So dear kids, once again, we use the word he for boy and man. So we use the word she for girl and women. So my dear kids, I hope you all are understood the concept of he or she. Now, dear kids, take out your English book and open your page number 25. Today, we will learn and write use of he or she. Okay? So, dear kids, who is this? Yes, this is a man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N, man. Okay? In the place of dash, we will write he or she. So, we'll use he for boy and man. Okay, then we will write here he. What is the spelling of he? Yes, H-E, he. First letter should be capital letter and put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Understood? Now, who is this? Yes, doctor. This is a doctor, okay? What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Why would we use he? Yes, because he is used for boy and man. Okay? Now we will write here he. H-E, he. Next is, who is this? Yes, police. Okay, what is the spelling of police? P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. Okay, now we will use he for police. Okay, H-E, he. And the last, who is this? Yes, this is a plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Then we will write here he. H-E, he. Okay. We will read again. He is a man. He is a doctor. He is a police. And he is a plumber. Now we will go to the next sentence. Use of she. Use of he and use of she. Okay. You can see here. Who is this? Yes, this is a girl. What is the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L. Girl. Okay. So we will use she. We will use she for girl. What is the spelling of she? S-H-E, she. She is a girl. Why would we use she? Yes, explain it. Because she is used for girl and woman. Okay, women. Okay. Now she is a girl. Now who is this? Yes, teacher. This is a teacher. Okay. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. And we will use she for teacher. S-H-E, she. Yes. Who's this? Yes, cook. Lady cook. Then we will write here she. S-H-E, she. And the last picture you can see here, my dear kids. Who's this? Yes, this is a model. What is the spelling of model? M-O-D-E-L, model. Okay, then we will write here she. S-H-E, she. We will use she for model. Okay, we will read again. She is a girl. She is a teacher. She is a cook. And she is a model. So my dear kids, this is your classwork. Firstly, you will write classwork, mention the date. Okay, today is 2/7/21. It means today is 2 date aapki. Then 7 month means July. Okay, and year 2021. And you will write heading also. Use of he. Okay. Today, this is your today's work. And this is your class work. And this is your homework. You will write here. So, thank you and goodbye.